Hi, this is Lalita. Now I'll start the topic linear equation in one variable. What is the meaning of equation? Equation means if the variable and is equal to is there, then we will say that is an equation. Did you understand? Variable and is equal to. When it satisfies these two things, then only we will say that is an equation. Variable is equal to. These two it satisfies, then we will say that is an equation. Come to the next one. Linear equation. What do you mean by linear equation? Linear equation means degree of that particular equation is 1. Degree. What is the meaning of degree? Highest exponent of variable. Here you observed x. What is exponent of x? Nothing is there. That means will you take it that one as 0? No, it is 1. One time that x is there. That means your degree is 1. If degree of an equation is 1, then we will say that is linear equation. Okay, that is linear equation. Linear equation in one variable. Only one variable here. How many variables are you observing? Only here 17x, here 13x. X. X, here you observed only one variable, that is x. Did you understand? I hope you are clear. Equation. Equation means variable and is equal to. Two are there, then only we will say that is an equation. Linear equation, degree of that equation is 1. Degree means highest exponent of the variable. Linear equation in one variable. That means here maybe I have y. 17x plus 12 is equal 13y plus 24. Yeah, it is also linear equation. Why? Because degree of that equation is 1. But here we observe the two variables. One is x, other one is y. That is linear equation in two variables. But come to our topic, linear equation in one variable. Yes, we observed here only one variable, that is x. Okay, now how to solve these equations we have to check. Come to here, the question is 17x plus 12 is equal 13x plus 24. Like this is there. Solve. Solve. Find the value of the variable. Solve means the variable value we have to find it. How can we find? We have to write all variables one side, all constants in other side. So now what is variable term? Here it is 17x is equal to, after what you observe, 13x. It is plus 13x. I transpose this side, minus 13x. So I collected variables in one side. Now I had to collect the constants in other side. What is the constants you observed? It is 24. What is the constant here? Plus 12. Transpose to that side, minus 12. Minus 12. Did you understand? In the first step, you had to separate variable terms and constant terms. Okay, is equal to that side to this side. When you are transposing, then only you have to change the symbol. Okay, here that is plus 13x. I transpose left hand side, minus 13x. Here plus 12. I transpose to right hand side, minus 12. Okay, just I changed. Here it is plus. I transposed minus. That is minus. Plus. Here it is into. Division. That side it is division. Product. Opposite symbols. When are you transposing? Then you have to change the symbols. Okay, come to here. Here 17x minus 13x. Already you know they are like terms. Are they like terms? Yes, they are like terms. What do you mean by like terms? Terms having same variables. Terms having same variables. Here we observe the same variable, x. So we can simplify. Why? Because they are like terms. 17x, 13x. Both are x terms. That means they are like. How can we subtract? Subtract like normal numbers. Okay, 17 minus 13. How much? 4. Variable as it is. Variable as it is. Just you have to simplify that coefficient. Variable before what number is there? Just you need to simplify that numbers only, that coefficients only. You can't change variables. You are simplifying x terms, x. You are simplifying a terms, a. You are simplifying y terms as it is y. No change in variables. Just you are simplifying the coefficients. Okay, is equal to 24 minus 12. 4 minus 2 is 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. What you want? X. With x what you observed? 4. What operation is going on? It's product. It's product. When you transpose division, so x is equal 12 into 4. I am taking this side, divide by 4. 4 3s are. So x is equal to 3. So we got the value of x is equal to 3. I hope you are clear. Next sum. See here. Here 7 into x plus 3 is equal 5 into 2x minus 3. Bracket means product. Bracket means product. So 7 is multiplied to both the terms. Both the terms. Why I had to multiply both the terms? Why? Because given the bracket. That means this complete expression is multiplied by 7. Okay, 7 into x, 7x plus 7 into 3, 21. Same like that here also 5 into 2x minus 3. 2x minus 3 they given one bracket. That means this complete bracket is multiplied with 5. So we have to multiply with the first term and second term. 5 into 2x. 5 2s are 10. Variable as it is 10x. 5 3s are 15. 15. Now how you completed here? Same like that you have to finish even though here. So all variables you have to collect it one side. All the constants you need to transpose to opposite side. What is variable term here? 7x. Okay, 7x. But I want 10x is greater than 7x. So I want to transpose 7x to that side. I want to take that constant be this side. Why? Why? Because 10x is greater than 7x. Maybe I will get the negative number. One more step is additional. One more step is additional. That's what better to send variable that side. I want to take the constant with this side. Okay, here what is the constant? 21 is equal that side. What is the constant? Negative 15. You are taking this side plus 15 is equal to what is variable? It's 10x. Here plus 7x transpose to opposite side minus 7x. So 21 plus 15, 36. 10x minus 7x already explained, they are like terms. So we can simplify. Just you have to simplify that numbers. 10 minus 7 is 3. Variable as it is 3x. 3x. No more confusions between this. Okay, just you have to simplify that numbers, that coefficients. Here what you required? X. If you want 3x is equal to 36. What we want? X we want. With x, what number you observed here? 3. Between these two, which operation is going on? No symbol is there. That means it's product. So, transpose to opposite side, it become as division. X is equal to 12. Okay. Did you understand? Are you clear? Like that you have to simplify variables one side, constants other side. Collect variable terms in one side and constant terms in one side. Then you have to start simplification. Okay. So most of the students they'll confuse between expressions and equation. Expression not having the symbol is equal to symbol. But for equation surely we require is equal to symbol. If is equal to is there, then only that is equation. Without is equal to, that is an expression. 2x plus 3y. Expression. 2x plus 3y is equal to 5. Equation. Understand? Is equal to is there? Equation. Without is equal to expression. Okay. And one more thing you have little confusion. That is equal to after always can we take 0? No. Any number we can. We can take any of the numbers. Next. 7y by 3 plus 11 is equal to 9y by 4 plus 15. It's one sum and one complete denominator also we will check. 2x by 3x plus 1 is equal to 5 over 8. Okay, solve these two equations. How can we solve? Okay, how can we solve? See here, I said already very clearly, variables one side, constants in other side. But some students, they'll mistaken, here by 3 is there, transpose to other side into 3. But it is mistake. When it is half denominator, we can't transpose this denominator. When it is complete denominator, then you have to transpose the denominator first. Half denominator, we can't transpose the denominator yet first. When it is complete denominator, you have to transpose the denominator. Okay, so here how can we start? Variables one side. What is variable term here? 7y by 3. What is variable term? 9y by 4. Transpose this side, minus 9y by 4. So here what is the constant? 15 plus 11 minus 11. Already you learn between fractions either plus or minus is there. You have to go for LCM. What is LCM of denominators? It's very simple numbers 3 and 4. They are co-primes product of the denominators only their LCM. 3 fours are 12. Here 3, but I want 12. 3 is multiplied by 4. Can we multiply only denominator? No, numerator also. Here what is denominator? 4, but what you required? It's 12. So 4 is multiplied to which number you will get 12? It's 3 into 3 into 3. So 4 sevens 28, 9 threes 27, 15 minus 11 is 4. They are like terms. 28 minus 27, 1. Y, variable as it is. 1y, 1 no need to mention. By 12 is equal to 4. Here I want variable. With variable what you observed? 12. Which operation is going on between these two? Division. So transpose to opposite side, multiplication. 4 into 12, that is equal to 48. Okay, come to this question. 2x by 3x plus 1 is equal to 5 by 8. Okay, here it is complete denominator. Transpose this denominator to that side. Here division is going on. Division is going on. Transpose to that side. Multiplication. Same, between the fraction is equal to is there. Take that denominator to this side, this denominator to that side. That is only known as cross product. Why? Because both the sides division is going on. That denominator I am taking this side by product. This denominator I am transposing to that side. Multiplication. So here 2x into 8 is equal 5 into 3x plus 1. I multiplied the cross numbers, cross product between the fractions is equal to is there. Cross product. Why it's cross product? Division, transpose, product. Division, I transposed, it's product. So 2 8s are 16. Here 3x plus 1 is completely multiplied by 5. So multiply 5 3s 5 ones 5. Yeah, variables one side, constants other side. So 16x plus 15x transpose minus 15x. So 16 minus 15, it's 1. 1x is nothing but x. X is equal to 5. Understand? The same question by complete denominator we will check. Suppose 7y plus 11 by 3 is equal to some other number 5 by 7. Okay, here 3 is half denominator. When it is half denominator, transpose the additional number. When it is the complete denominator, transpose this denominator to that side. Okay, is it half denominator or complete denominator? You have to check. Understand? So here I want to take it's maybe 9 or something. Okay, same like this one. It's complete denominator. That denominator I am taking this side. This denominator I am transposing to that side. This complete bracket is multiplied 7 sevens 49, 7 elevens 77, 3 fives 15. What you want? The value of y. So variable term is here. Constants transpose to opposite side. What is variable? 49y is equal to after what number is there? 15. Always you have to write is equal to after what is there? That one here. So no need to change anything here. Which one you are transposing to from other side? That one you have to change the symbol. So 15 is here. So you no need to change any symbol here. Plus 77. I am taking to sending to that side. So minus 77. 49y is equal to 7 minus 5 is 2. 7 minus 1 is 6. So greater number symbol minus 62. What you want? Y value. So what is the value of y? Here product is going on. Transpose to opposite side. So division. It is the answer. Understand? Like that you have to do the sum. Equation means don't confuse between the expression and equation. Expression is not having any symbol. Any symbol means not having the is equal to symbol. Equation means surely have is equal to. Okay, is equal to is there. Variable and is equal to, that is an equation. Degree of the equation is 1, that is linear equation. Linear equation having one variable, no other variables you observed here, then that is linear equation in one variable. When you are good in the simplification of this one, then only you will get the good score in maths. Okay, thank you. Practice the sums. I will give homework in description. Regularly you have to practice that sum. Still, do you have any doubts? Comment to me. Surely I will respond. Thank you.